Hey everyone! Today, we're diving into the charming world of crochet short dresses. These beautiful pieces are not only stylish but also showcase the artistry and creativity of crochet. Whether you're looking for a bohemian vibe, something casual, or an elegant option for a night out, I'll be sharing various designs, DIY tips, and how to style these dresses for any occasion. Let's get started and explore the wonderful possibilities of crochet fashion. Here's a creative idea for crochet short dresses. Stylish designs for every occasion. Introduce the theme of crochet short dresses, highlighting their versatility and charm. Mention how crochet adds texture and uniqueness to summer wardrobes. Types of crochet dresses. Bohemian style. Showcase flowy, boho-inspired crochet dresses ideal for festivals or beach outings. Present more fitted, casual designs suitable for everyday wear or brunch. Highlight sophisticated crochet dresses perfect for evening events or date nights. Color and pattern trends. Bright and bold. Showcase soft pastel hues for a romantic, summer vibe. Neutral tones. Present classic neutrals that are versatile and easy to style. List the essential materials: yarn, crochet hook. Provide a simple tutorial on how to crochet a short dress, focusing on beginner-friendly designs. Explore different crochet styles and techniques from various cultures, such as Mexican, Mediterranean, or African influences. Suggest ways to personalize the dress, adding fringes, adjusting length. Offer tips on how to accessorize crochet dresses with belts, hats, and jewelry. Layering techniques. Discuss how to layer crochet dresses with cardigans or jackets for cooler evenings. Washing and storing. Share tips on how to properly care for crochet dresses to keep them looking great. Recap the beauty and versatility of crochet short dresses. Encourage viewers to explore their creativity with crochet. Invite viewers to like, subscribe, and share their favorite styles in the comments. A bright, colorful crochet dress perfect for summer outings. Cute sandals or flip-flops. A straw bag and oversized sunglasses to complete the sunny vibe. A crochet dress layered over a fitted turtleneck and paired with leggings. Knee-high boots for added warmth and style. A cozy scarf and a stylish jacket to keep it chic and functional. These outfit ideas will not only complement the beauty of crochet short dresses but also create a cohesive aesthetic for your video. Let's dive into the delightful world of crochet fashion together.